Good morning children, welcome to your English text class, and today we are going to do the word meanings dictation words of chapter number 6, that is your last chapter for term 1. Okay, so children, this is your chapter number 6. As you have already read and understood the chapter, we are going to start with the copybook. Okay. So children, first of all you will write the date in the top left corner, classwork in the right corner, then chapter number and chapter name. Now first, in the very first line we will write dictation words after drawing the red line on the line that is where you have written the chapter name. Okay. So number 1, loom. Number 1, loom. Listen to the pronunciation very properly. Listen to the spellings very properly. Loom. L-O-O-M. Loom. Number 2, exceedingly. Number 2, exceedingly. Okay. Loom is a machine to make cloth. And exceedingly means more than something. Exceedingly. E-X-C-E-E-D-I-N-G-L-Y. Exceedingly. Number 3, invisible. Invisible. I-N-V-I-S-I-B-L-E. Invisible means a thing that cannot appear, that cannot be seen. Procession. P-R-O-C-E-S-S-I-O-N. Procession means a huge crowd of people going together or moving together. Magnificent. Magnificent. M-A-G-N-I-F-I-C-E-N-T. Magnificent. That means something very beautiful. Okay. Number 6, terrible. Terrible. T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E. Terrible. Next, number 7, crook. Crook. C-R-O-O-K. Means a person who is very dishonest and cannot be trusted. So he is a crook. Number 8, astonished. Astonished. A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H-E-D. Astonished. To be very shocked, to look something very surprisingly. To look at something very shocked, in a shock, or something very surprisingly. Number 9, emperor. Number 10, soldiers. Soldiers. S-O-L-D-I-E-R-S. Number 11, intelligent. Intelligent. I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T. Intelligent. Woven. Next is woven. Number 12, woven. Means get your new clothes stitched. So woven. W-O-V-E-N. 13, heaven. Number 13, heaven. H-E-A-V-E-N. Heaven. 14, praise. Number 14, praise. P-R-A-I-S-E. Praise. P-R-A-I-S-E. Praise. Number 15th and the last one, whispered. Whispered. W-H-I-S-P-E-R-E-D. Whispered. Okay, so I'm saying something very slowly and in your ears. When you say something in somebody's ears, that is known as whispering. Speaking very slowly and in a very low voice. Okay. Now these are your dictation words. After they end, we will draw a red line. We'll draw a red line over here. This will come in a single page. So first you will write this line, then at the side of the same page you will write these remaining ones, drawing the line in between. Okay. Now we'll do word meanings on a new page. Okay. Now children, on a fresh new page, you will again write the date, class work, chapter number and chapter name, and we will start with word meanings. Okay. So, number 1, loom. Number 1, loom. Loom is a machine that is used to make clothes. So, a small machine used to weave clothes. Okay. Number 2, exceedingly. Exceedingly means to be more than something. किसी चीज से ज़्यादा होना means exceed. Exceed means to be more than something. Invisible. Invisible means cannot be seen. A thing cannot be seen. That is air. Air is invisible because it cannot be seen. Astonished means surprised or shocked. Astonished, surprised. Okay. Procession. A crowd of people, so many people, they are gathered together and they are moving together. So that is known as procession. People gathering at one place and moving together. Terrible means very bad. Anything bad is known as terrible. Crook. A person who is very dishonest, who lies, and who cannot be trusted. So a person who is dishonest or cheats. So someone who cheats is known as a crook. Magnificent. Magnificent means very beautiful. Magnificent, very beautiful. Okay. So these are your word meanings, your 8 word meanings that you are required to do in your copies after dictation words. First we will do dictation words on the very first page. Then we will do word meanings on the next page of the chapter. Okay. But for word meanings, again we will write the date, class work, chapter number, chapter name. Okay. So children, this is all for today. In the next class, we will do the make sentences as well as the question answers of this chapter. Okay. So till we meet in our next session, bye-bye. Have a good day. Take good care of yourselves. Bye.